Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on the tech sector, XLK, Apple, and Facebook, and tomorrow's a very important day for the sector as a whole, as well as these individual names, which have proving to do. This is a very similar bounce that we saw back on June 28th in terms of it being just an oversold hourly bounce at this point. The bulls have to see follow through and a green day and confirmation of this reversal candlestick tomorrow in order for us to believe that the bulls are trying to regain this momentum back from the bears who have had it for the past month. So inside bar on the daily time frame with a support range of 54.36, resistance 54.98, and we'll be watching to see which of those levels breaks tomorrow to indicate who has momentum. If we see a bull break, the bulls will have to end the day with some strength and a strong green close to confirm the candlestick, and then from there we'll be looking to potentially get over these exponential resistances and try and turn around the downtrend that we have been in over that past month. So the weekly time frame, trying to hold this middle Bollinger Band support of 54.17, trying to form a bullish reversal doji. Currently we have that doji, but if we do not see confirmation tomorrow, with 2 trading days left in the week, we could see a pullback and we could erase this doji by the end of the week. So that's why tomorrow, another reason why it's so important, we're on the verge of a bearish MACD cross, or I should say a bearish TCG cross, which has not happened in the past 6 months. If we cannot see follow through, and if we lose this middle Bollinger Band support sometime in the next couple of weeks, we will see this bearish crossover. We will see the bears take over, and that will be a more significant break considering we've been above this support the entire year. Apple on the daily time frame, bulls buying the dip, still rejecting from exponential resistance as we have been for the past week, have to get over that exponential resistance in order for the bulls to be looking for some turnaround. So we do have a couple higher lows to be watching. It's getting very tight on Apple. I'm looking at support of 142.20, 142.28, 142.72, and all of these lower highs on the daily time frame are resistance to be watching. So make or break is coming likely by the end of this week. If we get a bull break, we'll see a bullish MACD cross go along with it. But in my opinion, we have to, at a bare minimum, ideally tomorrow for the bulls, break 144.79. But we're getting so tight, we know a break is imminent sometime in the next couple of days. So pay attention because volatility should pick up a bit here on Apple. Weekly time frame, potential to lose this. Well, we already lost the middle Bollinger Band. Potential to see further follow through to the downside now that we have our bearish TCG cross, our bearish MACD cross followed through a while ago, and there's not a ton of support after we lose this middle Bollinger Band. The next support level, 142.20, 139.48, and then there was not much support at all established from 113 all the way up to 135. So that's a $20 range where we have very little support because the bulls shot to the upside. The bulls really don't want to see the price enter that range because the bears will have an easy time knocking through those levels, in my opinion. Facebook on the daily time frame still remains the strongest tech name that we are covering, and I'm referring to Amazon, Google, Netflix, Apple, Facebook. Those are the main 5 that we're looking at. And I can say that, and again, you don't want to be looking at just a little time frame or one day. You're looking at the complete picture where we are seeing a higher low and higher high pattern. And most tech names are now seeing lower highs and lower lows in a completely different pattern. So a bullish reversal inside candlestick here on Facebook as well. A range of 148.13 support, 150.85 resistance. Have to see a bull break, a green day to confirm, and get over this middle Bollinger Band resistance to see really strong follow through for these bulls. And a red flag would be if we break 147.80, the low of this current consolidation. So bulls still holding on just fine. The weekly time frame trying to keep exponential support. We have not closed below this exponential support in 2017. That level is 150.59. Bulls could still easily hold that level with 2 trading days left to go. And again, they're trying to fend off the bearish TCG cross that is approaching. That currently, you can see if we were to head down and test the middle Bollinger Band, we would be on the verge of that bearish MACD or the bearish TCG cross following through. And the TCG cross, again, is the 4-period exponential crossing the 8-period in one direction or the other. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.